Welcome, today we're going to show you how to generate a full AI movie in one prompt in View 3. So have you actually wondered how these views that people make that get millions of views that are AI generated are done? Or something like that? As here from here, if you want to make it using Flow and other AI methods that are very complicated, like using different AIs and getting the voice from there, getting the movie from there, it's very complicated and very hard. But as see from here, there's this AI, its name is SGen, that can actually make a lot of things, voiceover, animation, and everything in one movie using only one prompt. So as see from here, there's a lot of samples from here that you can make. Okay, so I will give him this prompt using this template as see from here that uses Veo 3. So we can just select the template and give him the prompt. And now it will start generating the videos. Also, another way to generate the videos easily without actually writing these prompts, you can just open ChatGPT from here, as you see, and tell him to give you a prompt for generating the videos using another AI. So he will give you all the script as you from here. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4. It makes it very easy to make a very small movie or something like that. So you can just copy these prompts I'll see from here. Just copy it. And you can paste it right here and give SGN the prompts and he will actually generate the videos for you. So that's it. That's actually how you generate a movie using one prompt using Veo 3. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.